Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Now give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and everyone for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same around the world. Let's get right into it, guys. E-estate has been a huge blessing for myself and others that I've shared around the world. I started this journey back in 2025 of October, and from that point on, it has been working so flawlessly and smooth. Okay, the withdrawals is lightning speed withdrawals, and earning consistent profits on the properties that I'm invested into. Okay, so the properties that I'm invested into is the LA property, right? This is one of my favorite properties here. The LA property that I have invested into back in this was in 2025, guys. So 2025, I invested into the LA property, and I can tell you guys, this is one of the best investments that I ever made in this opportunity, because it's helping others, right? It's helping people, right? You don't have to recruit, all right? It's not heavy on recruiting. That's optional if you choose to do so. If you just want to be passive, you invest into a property, you find the amount that works within your budget. That's very, very important. And anything in investing works that is suitable for you, right? And the property I started out invested into was the Miami, but then I got serious with it. Then I invested $3,200 into this property. Now the projection on this on per day is roughly around $19 to $20, right? $19.50. That's the projection. That's average, right? And the projection is around $4,992. And your break even is in 7 months. 7 months is a break even, right? And I'm gonna show you guys on my profits of what I've earned, right? So I've earned over $3,113.17. I've invested $3,915.66. Okay. And these are the properties I'm invested into, guys. The Miami property, so far I've generated $62.42, right? The apartments is currently sold out, and my profits, I've earned $111.88. The house property, it is sold out. I've earned so far $425.91 from that property. And the villa, right, I've invested $3,200 into the villa, and I've already made in profit $2,512.96. So let that sink in for a second, guys. I invested $3,200, right? $3,200 right here, as you guys can see it. And I did this back in December 7th, 2025. And I'm already over 78% on my money. Let that sink in. If you put $3,200 into your bank account, will your bank give you 78% since December, guys? All right, let that sink in. All right, and now I'm at 78.53. This is how the rich is getting wealthier, right? And if you don't understand this, this is the time to take action on this, right? This is the reason why I left the link in the description below, right below this video. Take action, get educated, Understand what real estate tokenization is all about. Understand how you can make real passive income from real assets. Okay, real assets. This is where the trajectory where real estate is going through is being tokenized as we speak. Okay, and they're saying by the year 2030, this will reach to over a $16 trillion market cap. Let that sink in for a second, guys. 16 trillion with a T. Now you know who became the first trillionaire. Elon Musk, the first trillionaire in the world. So let that sink in. This will create multimillionaires and billionaires with this opportunity years to come. If you position now, you get in the early curve now, right? Like just for the folks who got in position in Bitcoin back in when it first started. Okay, when it first started, people didn't understand the vision on where Bitcoin was going. And look at Bitcoin now, over 15 years later. You know, the people who got in early, the early adapters, are multimillionaires and billionaires today. All right. So over here in real estate tokenization, e-estate can give you that same opportunity if you take advantage of it. All right. So if you're serious, you must be 18 years of age and older to participate. Unfortunately, you can't be 17 or 16. You have to be 18 years of age because they go through a verification process. And also, too, very important note, guys. If you don't fund your account within the first several days, your account will be deleted. All right. So it's very important that if you decide to sign up with this opportunity, make sure you go through all the information, watch the videos. I have everything there. Once you go through that, you can get started for as low as $10. Get your feet wet with $10. $10 is not going to make you rich, okay? Let's get that out of the way, all right? It's just to get you started so you see the power of compounding. Compounding is the 8th wonders of the world, all right? So learn how to have money working for you instead of you working for money. This is what has been going on for so long. And people who are investors, right? Who's saying enough is enough? Who's tired? Who's saying the 9 to 5 is not the way out? And it's not the way anymore, guys. One income will not secure you anymore. That has been obsolete. Okay, so make sure you guys take full advantage of the opportunity, because opportunities like e-estate comes once in a lifetime. Okay, so don't miss out. All right, so as soon as you guys go to the link in the description right below this video, you will put in your name and email address. Once you do that, you will get a verification right away in your inbox. All right, you're gonna get a verification right away in your inbox. All right, click on the verify. Once you click on verify in your email, it's gonna bring you to the secondary page. Okay, it's gonna bring you to the secondary page of watching the full video. Watching the full video. All right, once you watch the full video now of the main video, right, you're gonna watch the webinar. It's a short video. All right, it's less than 15 minutes. As soon as you watch the full video now, I'll highly recommend watch it at least 2 to 3 times if you're a newbie in the crypto space. All right, once you do that, you're gonna watch all the remaining videos right below that webinar. It's gonna guide you through the process step by step on the onboarding process, on how to fund your account with no mistakes whatsoever. All right, guys, just go through the process. Do not skip the process at all. All right, so I got that out of the way. So yes, this is what I've made, over 3,000 plus since I've gotten started with this opportunity. All right, and also too, I have $179 this week I did $101.94 interest this week on my investment, which is phenomenal. Okay, so guys, take advantage. You can get started for as low as 10. You can work your way up to around over 250,000 or more. All right, if you're serious, take action. This is what the properties did today. All right, it shows what they're very transparent, which I like with estate. This is the percentage from the top property. Here is the business development property. It did 1%, development 0.85, land plot 0.77, and etc. All these percentages it did on the property. All right, so let your money work for you instead of you working for money. So I appreciate you guys are watching in. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I see you guys in the next video. Peace out.